All right, let's start by defining what an AI agent really is. See, an AI agent is an autonomous system that can observe its environment, reason about the information it receives, and take actions to accomplish tasks. Unlike chatbot or single LLM queries, see, an AI agent can plan multiple steps, take decision on its own, and also it can adapt to its behavior based on the results. See, think of it AI isn't like a personal assistant that doesn't just follow one instruction, but it can also handle a complete workflow. For example, let's talk about an intelligent email assistant. Which doesn't just reply to a single mail. It can read all new mails, summarize them, draft replies. Also, it can handle the emails like whether it's a spam mail or legitimate mail, and even adjust the tone based on your preferences. See, the main difference between an AI agent and a simple tool is autonomy. While tools do exactly what you tell them, but AI agent can decide the next step to achieve its goal, which makes it much more flexible and intelligent. Okay, so now let's talk about the core agent cycle. So it goes like think, act, and observe loop. In the first step, basically an AI agent analyzes the problem and plans the next step. This involves reasoning about the current state and deciding what actions are needed. Okay, and then in the next step, the agent performs the planned action. This could involve querying a database, sending an email, or calling an API. See, and then in the next step, the agent look at the result of its actions, evaluates what exactly happened, and then based on that, it updates its understanding. Okay, so that's how an AI agent works. Let's talk about the core component of an AI agent. See, to make this loop work, what happens is that these AI agents rely on a four key component: reasoning, memory, tool, and environment. See, reasoning, this is the agent's ability to decide what to do next. It is the brain behind the agent's actions. For example, when asked to summarize emails, reasoning helps the agent decide which email to summarize first, how to phrase the responses. Then comes memory. Memories allows the agent to remember past interaction or decision. This could be remembering your preferred email tone or tracking which tasks have already been completed. See, memory is critical for multi-step task. Okay, and especially when you want personalized interaction. Okay, then it is very much required. Then comes tools to extend an agent's capability. See, these could be APIs, calculators, search engine, or other external system. See, tool allows agent to perform actions they cannot do on their own. For example, an agent might use a search API to find relevant document, or a translation API can respond in another language also. Okay, so then, yeah, sorry. So then comes environment. See, the environment is the context in which the agent operates. It could be an inbox, a set of documents, a website, or even a physical system. Understanding the environment is key to taking effective actions. See, together these components make the agent autonomous and capable of complex reasoning, right? Yeah. So, yeah, let's talk about the limitations of simple LLM apps. See, now you might wonder that why can't we just use a traditional LLM for this task? See, LLMs are amazing at generating text and answering questions, but they have some limitations. See, they handle single queries well, but cannot plan multi-step reasoning on their own. They do not, because they do not retain memories across tasks, right? So, and also see, they cannot remember what happened in the previous step. Because of this, these are the, you can say these are the limitations of traditional LLMs. Okay, and so that's why these AI agent comes into the picture. Okay, it can act, it can plan and observe autonomously, which makes it much more powerful for real world tasks. Let's see some real world example. For example, some personal assistant. which can help you in mailing them, which can help you in scheduling your meeting, which can also take you a note in the meeting. Okay, then we can have research assistant, which can help you in summarizing papers, and it can also help you in generating reports. Okay, then you can may think about a workflow automation, which can automate multiple small works. Okay, so yeah, those things you can do with these AI agents. Okay, so let's try to summarize what we have learned till now. So first we talked about AI agent, what exactly it is, then how they operate, then what are the core component of an AI agent, and how it is different from traditional LLMs. Okay, yeah. So that's it for session one. I hope you now have a clear understanding of what AI agents are and why they matter. In the next session, we will dive deeper into the ecosystem and prepare for building our first agent. Okay, thank you.